My name's Alec and this is Broadmeadows estate that I own. Originally a farm, it's now a diverse estate with a huge woodland project. This project is so important because what it does is provide a future for my family. It's also really important because it's going to provide a product that's going to be needed in the future. Quality timber. It also sequesters carbon from the atmosphere, which is so important. The biodiversity improvements you can see on an annual basis. We're providing an ungrazed habitat. So we've got loads of wildflowers coming up. We've got wild pansies, we've got rock rose, we've got wild bilberry, which is growing in profusion. And that provides tremendous feeding grounds for the bird life. There's grazing opportunity for deer and brown hares and the invertebrates.
It just brings everybody together and it brings awareness to sustainability as well, which is amazing.
Well, the benefits to the community are they've got access, improved access, because I've created a footpath network. They can come and enjoy what we have here. We had a catastrophic flooding event in 2003. And this is unlikely to ever happen again now that we've planted these trees. It mitigates flooding by stemming the flow of rainwater from the hills. Trees are something I love. I love nature. It's peace and quiet. It's somewhere where people can come and contemplate.
I'm really excited to see what other sustainable options are available on the farm and what other partnerships that we can bring in.
My daughter is keen to carry on. She's my successor. I'm in the process of passing it on to her, and she's really excited about it too.
My husband and I, our ultimate dream is to move back to the farm and just to continue my dad's legacy. I think what my parents have been able to do here is really inspiring.